This video I'm going to show you what are the 3 signs that your car HVAC system needs to be checked and serviced by an AC technician. There are 2 pipes coming out of your AC's compressor. One pipe is of a bigger diameter, which is called the low pressure line, and one is the smaller diameter, which is called the high pressure line. So here is how they look like. This, as you can see, is the thinner line. This is the high pressure line. And under it, there, this one, that one. The bigger diameter line, that is called the low pressure line. So what are the 3 signs? These lines are running from, these pipes are running from your compressor, which is installed down there. This is that bigger diameter line going right there. So these 2 pipes are coming from the compressor and going into your car. There you can see. So what are those 3 signs? Sign number 1, this line, which is the bigger diameter line. If your AC has been running for a couple of minutes, let's say more than 3 minutes at least, and you do not see any condensation on this line, that is water vapors forming on this line, that means your system is undercharged. So it means it is low on refrigerant. So that is something an AC technician can do. If you are conversant with how the refrigerants work, how to recharge the refrigerant, you can do it yourself. Otherwise, you have to take it to the AC technician. Second sign, this line, which is the discharge line, the smaller diameter line. If this is extremely hot to touch, that is, it should be warm during normal operation, but not extremely hot. If it is extremely hot that you cannot even touch it, that also means it needs to be taken for service. And the third sign is this line, again, the bigger diameter line. If you see icing on it, there is ice formation on it, then also it means that the system is undercharged and it needs to be taken to the HVAC technician. So these 3 signs: number 1, there is no condensation, this line is bone dry, that means refrigerant low. Number 2, this line has icing on it, again low system refrigerant, needs to be taken. Number 3, this pipe, this line, extremely hot to touch, that would indicate a lot of problems. So again, it needs to be taken to the HVAC technician. If you do not take care of these things, you will just be wasting fuel, putting load on your compressor, may damage the compressor. So if you see these 3 signs, take the car to the AC technician and he should be able to fix it. A normal running AC has this pipe, which is the smaller diameter pipe, moderately warm, you can touch it when the system has been running for several minutes. And that line, which is the bigger diameter line, which is also called the return line, it should have condensation on it, no icing, it should not be bone dry. So these are the signs. Without using any instrument, you can tell if the system is running fine or needs to be taken to the technician. If you have any comments, please do mention. And thanks for watching.